Welcome back to my channel, Samba Gamers. Today we are playing Rocket Voice Down and we are attacking military and I'm stealing their helicopter. Then we're going to another military and stealing tank. Okay, so let's meet Tipson first. Hey Tipson, how are you, dude? I'm fine, how are you? Okay, so I want to attack military and another military over there, another city. Okay, you won this time. Okay. So what should I do? You first steal a car. Where should I? Hmm. I don't want to steal. I have rope. Okay. You can go from rope. There. 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 Here we are. Oh my god. I just fall. Okay. First, let's go to military zone now. Oh my god, I have a gun. It seems I don't know. Oh my god, there's so many. How to go up? Let's go up. Oh my god. I have a special punch. I just fall too. Come on, you. Oh my god. It is fun. Seems like fun. There we are. And now this is, it's like, let's do, okay, first let's spin it. Spin, 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 what we get? 2,000 rupees. I mean, dollar. Oh, for certain, certain. I have to steal it. Steal it, steal it, steal it. Now let's fly. Let's steal it. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. We are going to another city and let's first meet to Tipson. We have to go up and up. First we have to stay alive. There, let's land to the helipad. Land it. Finally. Now, it won't catch me. Oops, I just fall. Okay, so now it won't catch me. Then this helicopter, we're going to this city over there and stealing another tank from their military. Then we're gonna go to Tipson. First I have to sell this helicopter Tipson. It's for okay, we're just reset Apple stars. Now let's go. There's so many birds. First let's go to Tipson. Let's go to Tipson. Where is Tipson? Tipson house. Oh, sorry, there over there. This is Tipson house. Let's first fly in the air. Now we easily know this is Tipson house at the last. Landing, save landing. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, Tipson. So now what should I do? You have to go to military, another tank base. Okay, from this helicopter and you have to go to helipad. There is helipad. Land it over there and get the tank and come to me. Let's go. Tipson said we have to go there. Let's go. Oopsie. Let's drive it on road. I'm so pro. Oh my god. It's cannot. I'm pro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This is hard. Okay, we are landed there. Let's see if there is any helipad over there. There is nothing, any helipad. Then let's go there. If I land there, it's not gonna be a big issue. Let's land it on this container. Let's land. Oh, ooh, sorry. Let's land it. Let's look at the scene. Okay, landed. We are here at the helicopter now. We have to go there. Bye bye, helicopter. Let's first take a pic. Woohoo! Oops, now. Oh my god. My helicopter. Oh, my helicopter is gone. But we had to take a pic. Now, oh, walk and run. 18,000 I get from this helicopter. Oops. Now we have to go there. There's police. Oh my god, no! No, sorry guys. I just fall down. But no problem. Let's go. We have a gun. Yeah, boy. Huh? Nobody can stand. Just fall, just fall, just fall. There's tank. Let's sit in the tank. Oops. We just sit in the tank. Oops, so much. Okay, come on. We ran. Run. Okay. Huh? Let's go, Gibson. Hey, you robot. Police tank. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Hey, you don't disturb me. Huh? Let's go to Gibson. We have to hide.
Hello.
Oops. Okay, let's go, let's go. Oopsie. We're going. Just fall down. Nobody can hurt me. Oops. Let's get money. $830 I get. Okay, now let's go. Hey, don't disturb. Don't disturb, please. Please don't disturb. I say don't disturb. Okay, now we're going. Hey robots, I say don't disturb me. There is 5. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we are going. Let's go. Where is our chief? I'm the tank. Okay, so now we are going to tips and then our mission will be complete successfully. Huh, they're falling. They're scared. Okay, now let's go. How to kill you. Thank you. Oh my god. My mission is not this kill you. Oh, ooh. Kill? If I don't. Yeah, buddy. 5 police cars just is behind me. Hey, I have to go to tips and I will die. Hey, police, just stop. I have full 5. Tips and here I am. Okay guys, my mission is complete. Now we are leaving. Bye bye.